Hey folks, I'm Dave. I'm a laser newbie. I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination. I want to thank you for being here, and I know as a newbie how important it is to sometimes just figure out what it is you want to do and skip all the fluff. So I've started a playlist called To The Point where I'll cover laser and Lightburn topics. Let's get right to it. Today's To The Point topic is Lightburn and draggable lines. You can move your cursor over to the left margin. You'll notice it change. You can drag out a line. You can go up top and drag out another line. You can sweep across these lines and go to the Shape Properties tab and lock them into place. If you don't have that tab, go up top to Window and down to Shape Properties and be sure it's checked. If you have an object on the workspace that you want to lock into place, you can go to the corner and snap it into the lines. You can sweep across it again. You can lock it into place, and to know it's locked, you can select it and notice the crosshairs in each corner. If you don't have the snap enabled, go up to Settings and make sure you have Snap to Object, Snap to Grid enabled. Click OK, and that wraps up today's To The Point topic. Okay folks, right to the point. The kind of content I looked for when I first got my laser and I still look for today. Something that's going to get me over the hump when I'm stuck on a project. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel grow and it'll help me to bring you more and better content in the future. If you have suggestions for topics, please let me know. Also, let me know if you like or don't like this format. And check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.